night in New York City, a policeman was walking along a dark street. He saw a man near the door of a store and walked up to him. "It's all right, officer," the man said. "I'm just waiting for a friend. 20 years ago, we promised to meet here again tonight." Then the man struck a match to smoke. The light showed his face. He went on talking. "We said goodbye here. I started for the West to make my fortune. I was 18. "Very interesting," said the policeman. "I hope your friend will come around all right." Then he went away. About 20 minutes later, a tall man came from across the street. His face was not clear in the dark. "Is that you, Bob?" the tall man asked. "Is that you, Jimmy?" cried the man by the door. Each man took the other man's hand. "You've changed a lot, Jimmy." "Oh, I grew up big after I was 20, said the tall man. "Are you doing well in New York, Jimmy?" "Yes, I work for the city. Let's go to a place that I know well and have a good long talk about old times." The two men began to walk along the dark street. "Were you successful in the West, Paul?" asked the tall man. "Yes, I was," answered Paul, and he began to tell the story of his life in the West. At the corner of the street, there was a drugstore. Its lights were on. When the two men came near the store, they stopped and turned to look at each other's faces. "You are not, Jimmy," said Paul. 20 years is a long time, but it can never change a man's face so much. It sometimes changes a good man into a bad man," said the tall man. "You are wanted by the Chicago police. You've been under arrest for 10 minutes, Paul. Now, before we go, here's a note. I was asked to hand it. It's from Jimmy," said the tall man. When the man from the West finished reading the note, his hands trembled a little. "Paul, I was on time at the place we decided. I was happy to find you there. But when you struck the match to smoke, I saw the face of the man wanted in Chicago. Somehow I couldn't do it myself. So I sent another policeman to bring you in. Jimmy."